See y'all there. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, but that sounds like a lot of paperwork.
Thanks! Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
You guys wait here to make sure it's safe
And Minnie's Runaway rail train. Railway? Railway. Yeah.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and them. Gosh, they're with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, they're working on the radio. Hurry. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Don't know. We're going into the wind tunnel.
Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and... One, two, three. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's...
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Face!
Stop us now. I knew somehow that we would find you.
liked that. I want to do it again.
Yeah.
We're coming back here again. Like another day.
Oh yeah!
Josh, look at the shoes.
Oh! You saw yours. Mine are not glowing as much. Mama, your shoes glowing.
Yeah.
My shoes aren't really glowing. Okay, wait, can you see my shoes?
Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and